In this video, you'll learn how to get started with IDCAD Architectural. We'll guide you through launching the software, starting a new project, and setting up your design environment. You'll explore the ribbon interface, learn about key tabs like Home, Facade, Concrete, and Steel, and discover how to switch between architectural and structural modes. We'll also show you how to customize views, use multiple viewports, and apply rendering and 2D drawing tools. Finally, you'll see how to access help resources, use keyboard shortcuts, and manage files with import, export, and data reuse tools. By the end of this video, you will be ready to begin modeling your first architectural project confidently. Let's get started. When you launch IDCAD Architectural for the first time, a home page appears on the screen. From this page, you can start a new project, open existing projects, and view a list of recently worked on projects. You can easily access the knowledge base from Help Center line as well. The knowledge base is a comprehensive help resource that provides detailed explanations on technical topics related to the software. Additionally, you can check for software updates from this page and access your membership information via the My Account link. Click the New Project line. To start a new project, you can use the Start Using New Project Wizard option. This wizard allows you to define the country, unit system, and background color. By selecting a country, you can ensure that your project complies with the relevant codes and regulations in IDCAD Structural. When a project is opened, the ribbon interface appears. In this interface, all commands are organized into categories represented by icons. The commands are grouped under 10 tabs according to their purpose of use. Home tab includes commands for the most frequently used building elements when creating an architectural project, such as axes, walls, doors, windows, and columns. Since IDCAD Architectural works in integration with IDCAD Structural, it also contains commands for elements used in formwork plans, such as columns, beams, and shear walls. Facade tab contains the necessary objects for facade arrangements such as exterior veneer, curtain wall, jamb. Concrete tab includes commands related to structural elements such as slabs, beams, and shear walls. In IDCAD Architectural, there are two modes, Architectural Plan Mode and Structural Design Mode. You can switch between these modes by clicking the mode icon. When you click on commands such as shear wall or beam, the software automatically switches to Structural Design Mode. Steel tab includes not only structural elements such as steel columns and beams, but also steel connection commands. If your project contains steel elements, you can model them directly within IDCAD Architectural. Modify tab contains various commands for editing and adjusting objects. Tools tab includes commands for operations such as rotate building, trim to roof, and generating quantity reports. Settings tab provides access to program settings. You can quickly reach general settings as well as layer and pen color configuration. The View tab includes options to control the on-screen appearance of the model, such as viewing from different angles, perspective, top, bottom, left, right, as well as display styles and transparent story. The transparent story is an important setting. You can control whether structural and architectural objects from the lower and upper stories are visible on the current story, and if so, define their color and line type. These visibility settings can be configured separately for Architectural Plan Mode and Structural Design Mode. With the Viewport Configuration command, you can set how many viewports the workspace will be divided into and choose which angle or view of the model will be displayed in each section. For example, let's select the 4 viewport. When you close the dialog, your screen will be divided into 4 sections. You can choose Plan View, Front View, Perspective View, and Left View. These views are selected by right-clicking within the desired viewport and choosing from the default Views section. During the training, we will use the 2 viewport. One side will display the plan view, and the other side will show the perspective view. Rendering tab includes presentation tools such as Materias, Render, and Animation. This tab also contains commands used for horizontal plan sections, which are utilized for presenting furnished story plans. Drawings tab allows you to use 2D drawing commands such as multiple line, circle, arc, as well as dimension, hatch, and text. In addition to the Drawings tab, commands from the Modify, Edit, Snap, and Reference sections are also available in the Home, Facade, Concrete, and Steel tabs. These helper commands are used when creating and editing both your model and your drawings. The gray strip at the bottom of the screen is called the message line. It displays the next step related to the active command. For example, prompts such as Set First Point of Wall appear in this area to guide you through the wall creation process. If you press the F1 key while a command is active, you will be directed to the help page specific to that command. This page contains technical explanations directly related to the command within the knowledge base. Pressing the F1 key during any command or while a dialog box is open is sufficient to access the corresponding help content. For example, if the Wall Settings dialog is open and you press F1, the relevant help page will be displayed. You can adjust snap options like Snap to Grid, Snap to Nodes, and Advanced Snap as you like. You can exit commands using the Escape key, re-enter the previous command by clicking the mouse wheel, and use the Shift key for alignment. When you click the IDCAD icon in the upper left corner, you can access the home page that appears when the program first launches. From this menu, you can create a new project or open existing ones. You can also access various save options from the same menu. The Save Compact command is especially recommended when sending a project to the technical support portal. Additionally, there is a Save Old Version option to save your project in a format compatible with earlier versions of the software. Through the Import tab, you can import file formats such as OBJ, DWG, DXF, 3ds, and IFC into your project. Likewise, you can perform export operations in these same formats. You can also save the plan view as a PDF or in plan screenshot from this section. The copy to file and paste from file commands are used to transfer data between projects. For example, if you want to reuse a title block drawing in different projects, you can save and recall it using these commands. Click the Copy to File command. After selecting your object and confirming with the right mouse button, you define a reference point and save it as a BLK file. In another project, you can easily place the same object using the Paste from File command. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the knowledge base for more tips. See you in the following video.